And we are in front of an interesting van concept too from Remio. It's called the Remio 4 Connect Weekender 2 with a base price of around 50,000 euros. And for that you get an pop-up roof for, let's say, one person sleeping, and another folding type of sitting area for additional one or two people sleeping, and underneath you get the actual sitting area. And now you can form a bench, and then with the bench you can sit inside, and then we have also a small sink, and there is a domestic fridge, and I see there is also the Webasto heating element right up there. Well, that looks like this. And going around, you can check, you can fold the table in a living area right around here, so you're pretty comfortable to sit inside with 2-3 people and take a look. Pretty interesting. Remio Camp 2.